Hi, I'm Tracy Johnson from Cheeseneeds and Learn to Make Cheese on Facebook. I get asked this one a lot. Can you vacuum seal a cheese if you don't have a vacuum sealer? You kind of can. Only use Ziploc bags because none of the others work. Trust me, I have tried them. So you put your cheese in there and you want to almost seal it all the way along, but not quite. You're just going to leave a little piece at one end where it isn't quite sealed, okay? You then need to lower it into a bucket of water, and the pressure from the water
uses displacement to start
forcing all of the air out.
So you need enough water to fully submerge the entire bag. It doesn't matter if it's not going to reach all the way down. You can just do it sideways. Keep the top of the bag out of the water, obviously. You need the air to escape. Now, when you're aging this, you're going to want to keep a close eye on it because you don't have a real vacuum. I trust this a lot less than I trust a real vacuum sealer. But if you can't afford one, or it's broken, or you can't use one for some reason, this is a great way of just making do in the meantime. Obviously, this works for anything that you might want to vacuum seal, not just cheese.
You then want to fold the top over, just for neatness. Put it into another Ziploc bag and do the same thing. Completely submerge it, all of the air comes out. And then your cheese is about as sealed as you're going to get it until you can get hold of a decent vacuum sealer. Hope that helps.